Hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about Space Corgi. In today's video I'm going to show you guys the chart, every social media, what this token has to offer and everything else in between. With that being said, let's just get into the video. So hopping onto the website at spacecorgi.finance, we can see that Space Corgi is a pet service oriented auto staking deflationary utility token. If we scroll a little bit down, we can see the roadmap. So in the first quarter, Scoopers.club partnership, this is a website where they deliver dog waste removal services directly to your backyard. SafeMoon airdrops. In the second quarter, fair launch, liquidity locking, burn, website redesign, smart contract audit, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, charity partnership and team expansion. Into the third quarter, marketing overdrive, exchange listing, NFT staking and mining, new Corgi World Dogination. And in the last quarter, future ecosystem development. Moving on to the PooCoin, the chart. So we can see that this token was launched on the 5th of May and today it hit an all-time high. Now people are taking profits and I think it will have a consolidation period. So moving on to the light paper introduction. So there's a 3% liquidity fee on every transaction. 1% is being redistributed to holders in reflection, and Space Corgi will be accepted by Scoopers.club, a dog waste removal app, as form of payment. Let's see the tokenomics. So the total supply is 1,000 trillion. Initial burn was half of that, so 500 trillion. The symbol is Corgi and the decimal is 9. Moving on to the fair launch. So they have minted tokens, they have sent a balance to the XL for fair launch. 6% of tokens were reserved in marketing wallet for community benefit. The XL protocol is utilized to foster trust by auto-locking liquidity for 6 months. And Space Corgi is a community-owned token. So I want to take a look at the BSC scan. They're currently sitting at 2,300 addresses, almost 2,400 addresses. With the highest percentage a holder has is 2.7%. I suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 1,300 members, as well as following them on Twitter, where they have almost 300 followers. Quick disclaimer guys, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. Everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So in order to buy Corgi, you'll need a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet with BNB or other cryptocurrency as USDT or something like that. Make sure the slippery tolerance is on 5%. Click on swap, confirm swap. MetaMask will give you a notification. Click on confirm and that's it. That being it for today's video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe and don't forget to check out Space Corgi. Every link will be down in the description. Flash out.